Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to talk about greater than, less than, and equal to. The first one we're going to talk about is going to be the greater than. So each one has its own symbol. Okay, for the greater than, it looks like this. It looks like an open mouth. Okay, so, all right, this is going to be our greater than example. All right, so let's count how many of the stars we have on this side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so we have 5 of the yellow stars and
1, 2, 3
of the green stars. Okay, so we want to figure out which one is greater. We want the fish to eat the greater amount of stars. So which side should the mouth open to?
The yellow stars.
Okay. So this is what our fish would eat this side. Alright, so he's going to eat the larger amount. Okay? Alright, the next one is going to be the less than.
Okay. Our next symbol is less than. The less than symbol looks like this. And then our less than example, let's count how many stars we have on this side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we have 5 on this side, let's count how many we have on this side.
1, 2,
3, 4. So we have 4 on this side. Which way is our alligator mouth going to open to?
The 5.
Right. So we're going to open our alligator mouth to the 5, to the greater amount, and which shows that 4 is less than 5. And so just like Miss Danielle said, if the fish eats the greater amount, he eats 5. Our next symbol is, that we're going to learn about today, is equal to.
Okay, so if there's the same amount on one side and the same amount on the other side, that's going to be called equal to. The equal to is just the same as it is with a math problem, and it's going to be just like that. So let's see. Let's count these. How many are on this side?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. How many are on this side?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. So if there are the same amount on each side, we're going to draw the
Equal to.
Good job.
Okay, we're going to do an example for the greater than. Okay, so let's count how many discs we have. We have
1, 2, 3, 4.
okay, 4, and then 1,
1, 2.
Okay, so remember we want our fish mouth, we want our fish to eat the most amount of discs. So which side should the fish eat?
4.
Okay, that's correct. Alright, so we'll make our fish eat the greater amount. Alright.
Alright, now let's do this example. How many triangles do we have on this side?
1,
2, 3. We have 3 on this side. How many do we have on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Kelsey, can you come draw what symbol you think, which side the fish eats? Can you come draw which one you think it would be? Great job. The fish eats 4. Great job. All right. And here is our final example.
Okay, so let's count how many squares we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, what about this side?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, so is the fish going to eat anything in this one?
No, it's equal to.
Alright, well why don't you come show me what that looks like, Courtney?
Okay.
Great job. Awesome, that's correct. Okay, well that concludes our lesson on greater than, less than, and equal to.
When we have a number on this side that's larger than the number on this side, it's going to read this number is greater than this number. So we'll draw the sign like this, and you can add in your little Pac-Man, and he's going to eat the side with more. So for the first one, we have greater than. How many yellow triangles do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So 5 yellow triangles. And how many white triangles?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So 5 is greater than 4. So Pac-Man is going to eat the 5 triangles. Next we have less than. And less than is going to look like this. So we'll have our smaller number is less than our greater number. So Pac-Man is going to eat still the side with more. He's just going to face the opposite direction. So how many pink triangle or pink hearts do we have? 1, 2. And how many black hearts? 1, 2, 3. So 2 is less than 3. So Pac-Man is going to come over here and eat all the black hearts.
Alright, class. For the last one, we're going to have equal to. Alright, and equal to is just like the equal sign. So you'll have one number that is the same as the number on the other side. Alright, so for equal to, count these stars.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pick a color. Alright, so 4, and then the blue stars.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so since each number is the same as each other, we'll use the equal sign. Okay, so let's just do a few examples to make sure we understand everything. Alright, so example 1, let's count the x's on the left side.
1, 2, 3.
So we've got 3 x's on this side, and on the other side,
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Alright, Kelsey, can you come complete this problem for me?
So 3 is less than 4. So I'll do the less than sign. And Pac-Man's going to eat 4.
Alright, good job. Let's see the next one. Alright, so let's count the blue check marks. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We got 5 on this side. On the other side,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Alright, can you come complete this one again, please?
This number looks like that number, so it's going to be equal to.
Alright, good job.
Alright, and so our last problem. Peyton, how many red arrows are there?
1,
2, 3. And how many over here?
1.
Can you come complete this problem for me?
Okay, since 3 is greater than 1, the Pac-Man is going to eat the larger number. Like that.
Perfect. Alrighty, so we'll do a quick review. For the greater than side, which way is Pac-Man going to point to?
The Pac-Man is going to eat the larger number, so its mouth is going to be open to the number that's bigger.
Right. And the less than side?
It's still going to point to the larger number, so the Pac-Man's still going to eat the number that's bigger.
But it's going to eat the second number instead of the first number.
Okay.
So it's going to read, so we have a 6 is greater than 2. And then for less than, we have 2 is less than 6.
Okay.
The last one is going to be equal to, and equal to happens when,
The numbers are the same on each side.
right, so if we have 6 and 6, they look the same amount of items, so it's going to be equal to. Alright, so you will see some of this on your homework. And that is all.